Hey, this is G from Luciole in Cognac. I'm going to be showing you today how to make a Rimbaud Sour. A Rimbaud Sour is a classic sour, but what we do instead of using whiskey, like in a whiskey sour, we use crème de pêche, Merlet Crème de Pêche and Merlet Pineau Rosé as a base for that drink. It's super easy to make, super easy to appreciate, as it's a sweet and fruity drink, and easy to remember as well because the recipe is very, very simple. So we start with 25 ml of Merlet Pinot Rosé. We are then going to add 25 ml of Merlet Crème de Pêche. We are then going to use 25 ml of egg whites, 25 ml of fresh lemon juice, and then just 5 ml of sugar syrup. So that's going to add a bit of sweetness, but it's also going to link all the ingredients together. We are then going to dry shake this drink, which means shaking that drink without ice first. And now we can shake again, but with ice this time. Cool. You can then pour it in your glass. And there you go. You got your Rimbaud Sour. Enjoy.